Hi everyone, welcome back to Life at Hacks. Today we are diving into Samsung One UI 8 on Android 16, now rolling out to Samsung Galaxy S series. This update is loaded with new tricks, and I have picked out features you need to know about. I will mix them up in no particular order, so you don't miss any hidden gems. Let's jump right in. Feature 1. Grouped alarms. Let's start with a small but super useful change. Inside the clock app, you can now bundle multiple alarms under one heading. For example, you could have a workday group with alarms 6:30, 6:45 and 7, and then completely different weekend group. With one tap, you can enable or disable the whole group. It saves so much time compared to toggling each alarm individually. Feature 2. Camera gesture customization. Now here's a camera tweak you will appreciate. Swipe gesture customization. Before, swiping up or down always switch between the rear and front cameras. Now you can decide what that gesture does. Head into camera settings, swipe preview up or down. You can leave it as the classic flip, disable it entirely, or set it to open quick controls. I have been testing quick controls, and it honestly faster for changing settings while shooting. Feature number 3. Now brief on lock screen. It gives you short summarize right on your lock screen. Morning reminders, evening highlights, that sort of things. If you want more privacy, you can make it so these previews only show after unlocking with your fingerprint, PIN or face scan. And if you need to see more, just expand the widget or add the full Now Brief widgets to your home screen. Feature 4. AI Select upgrade. Next up, let's talk about AI Select. In One UI 7, you could only highlight text. Now you can select any area on the screen. Just draw a shape around something, resize it, and choose what to do with it. Copy text, pin an image, crop, whatever you need. It's way more flexible, especially for screenshot and quick edits. Feature 5. Weather app animations. Here's one of the most visual upgrade, the weather app. The animations are much smoother and cover the entire screen. Rain actually falls down, snow drifts, clouds move. It feels more alive than before. Want to test it? Search for cities in different climates. It's a fun way to preview all the effects. Feature 6. Secure Folder Hide. Feature number 6 is a privacy upgrade for Secure Folder. You can now completely hide it. Inside Secure Folder, tap 3 dots menu, Hide. Once hidden, you will only reach it through quick settings, unless you remove that shortcut too. Then the only way in is through settings. One more tip, unlike earlier versions, it doesn't auto-lock when you leave. To be safe, I recommend hitting lock and exit when you are done. Feature 7. Portrait Studio for Pets. Pet owners are going to love this one. Portrait Studio for Pets. Take a portrait shot of your cat or dog, then open it in Galaxy AI Portrait Studio. You will get fun transformation like 3D cartoons, oil painting, fish eye, or even a polished studio look. It basically AI art built into your gallery, and you can save or share the result instantly. Feature 8. 9 to 10 split screen. Now here's something for multitaskers, the 9 to 10 split. Instead of the usual 50-50 split, you can run one app almost full screen and keep another tucked in a small strip. For example, I will keep YouTube big at the top while WhatsApp sits at the bottom. You can swap out the smaller app on the fly, great for messaging or browsing while keeping your main app front and center. Feature 9. Dynamic wallpapers. Let's brighten things up with wallpapers. One UI 8 introduced dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day. They shift colors and patterns depending on the time, sometime at the bottom, sometime across the middle, with shade evolving from pink to green to blue. To try them, long press on your home screen, Wallpaper and Style, browse wallpapers, scroll down to colors. Pick one and choose where you want it applied, lock screen, home screen or both. And that's the standout features in One UI 8 with Android 16. Which of these is your favorite? Drop a comment below. I am curious what you think. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and check out my other Samsung video for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.